This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plates, specifically these bamboo veneer plates. We have several sizes to show you. In the back, we have the round natural bamboo medium plate. It's 7 inches in diameter and makes an excellent salad, dessert, or app plate. We also have the round natural bamboo large plate, which is 9 inches in diameter. Great for small meals, lunch, putting out on a buffet. And then we also have the round natural bamboo dinner plate that's 10 3/4 inches in diameter. This is a great large plate that could be used as a small service piece, or would also be great for larger, heftier meals, and especially for buffet lines when there's lots of fare on offer. If you're looking for some square options versus the round, we have the square natural medium bamboo plate that's 7 inches across. And this one is a great option for little dessert or app plates. And I especially love all the rims that we have on these plates. It makes them really easy to handle, and it's a nice stylish feature, especially on the square ones. Gives it a very modern look. We also have the square natural large plate that's 9 inches in across, and it would be a fantastic one for larger meals or dinners. There's also the square natural bamboo plate that's 3.5 inches, and that's a great little one for rolls, tiny apps, a little bit of dip, or a little bit of something to put your pickled ginger on or something like that. It's a great, cute little piece that's going to be very versatile. It's going to be great as a butter dish, a roll dish, and it's going to be useful for things like mini desserts and apps as well. So you get a range of sustainable yet stylish disposable options with these bamboo veneer plates, and they can be used for the service of both hot and cold foods. They're commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a fantastic eco-friendly option to regular paper plates or disposable plastic ones. They're sturdy enough to use for weighty foods and meals. They're really strong and they feel really durable in your hands, but they're lightweight and kind of delicate as well. So they're a really great disposable option, and they have that wonderful natural bamboo color to them. It makes them perfect to use at catered events, weddings, corporate functions, or just your own barbecues and picnics. So these are a fantastic disposable option for caterers, party planners, restaurants, or just to use at home.